Today we're checking out the 24-liter Civic Panel Loader from Evergoods. You've all been requesting that I review Evergoods for years, so I'm really excited to be testing out my first backpack from them today. Thanks to Evergoods for sending me this bag to check out. If you love this thing as much as I do, be sure to snag one by using the affiliate link in the description. The Evergoods Civic Panel Loader comes in at 18 inches by 11.5 inches by 7 inches with a total capacity of 24 liters. And the bag weighs 3.1 pounds. The exterior is made with Evergoods custom-developed 840D ballistic nylon with a water-repellent finish. The interior of the bag is going to feature a 420D nylon, and the back of the bag has a polyethylene frame sheet, and the side has a removable aluminum flat bar to give the bag some structure. You're also going to find industry-standard YKK zippers on this thing, and the bag comes in 3 colorways, including the black I have here. The Evergoods Civic Panel Loader is going to run you $285 US. Now, let's check out some of the features of the bag. You've got the subtle Evergoods branding on the front, where you can also put your morale patch. There is the front panel pocket, which has a zippered mesh pocket, along with notebook and pen pockets inside. The top of the bag has a quick access pocket with a key leash. There are large carry handles on the side and the top of the bag. The shoulder straps are well padded and feature a sternum strap. The back panel is a little more stiff, but does have some padding. There is side access into the padded laptop compartment that fits up to a 16-inch computer. The main compartment opens up clamshell style and has a stretch tablet sleeve on the back panel, and then a zippered mesh pocket and a smaller zippered pocket on the front panel. Now, let's pack this thing up for a 2-week trip to see what we can fit inside. And remember, everybody packs differently, so be sure to envision what you would bring along as I pack this thing out. Also to note, I bring laundry strips to do sink laundry halfway through the trip, so we'll be packing 6 days worth of clothing. So that's the Evergoods 24-liter CIVIC Panel Loader. And this is one of those top-tier products in the bagging community, and I think it kind of lives up to its reputation. I really like the way the shoulder straps fit on this bag, and even though the back panel is a little stiff, I did find it quite comfortable to carry. Just be aware that the back panel is not going to feel plush like an Air or an Alpaca backpack though. Also to note, there is some controversy over the back panel poking into some people's lower backs, so be sure to wear this thing high and tight to avoid any of that. All in all though, it's a very well-made, durable backpack that's going to last you a very long time, and I really personally like the simplicity of the design. It's really easy to pack out, and I look forward to using it more on future trips. Also, I know there's no water bottle pocket, but I'm okay with that. Fight me in the comments. Quickly, before we go, let's talk about some jazz. And I know it's been a second since I've discussed a jazz record, but I've been really into this one from Medeski, Martin & Wood recently. And if you don't know Medeski, Martin & Wood, they are an avant-garde jazz funk organ trio that started playing back in the early 90s. This album is called The Dropper, and it came out on the renowned Blue Note label in 2000, and it features some of their best work in my opinion. The session mixes free jazz, funk, and hip-hop to create something really unique for the time that still feels really fresh and influential today. Track 4, Partito Alto, is my favorite because it features longtime Sun Ra Orchestra leader Marshall Allen on saxophone, who by the way now is 101 years old and still leading and playing live with the orchestra full time. Crazy. As always, thanks so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video.